As much as it is important to build a strong personal brand, it cannot go without having a strong community. Because if you have a strong brand, it means you have an audience which is engaging and active and supportive, which means that you have a strong community around yourself. So let's talk and let's see what are a few ways how we can build a strong and supportive community to help you grow as well. First of all, one of the ways how you can do that is, of course, to run your own newsletter. So newsletters is a great way to, again, create a community, create a lot of, build a subscribers list, people who are often wanting to read your newsletters. And people choose to whether launch those newsletters once a week, bi-weekly newsletters, monthly newsletters, right? And the most important thing is that people are finding a niche which really resonates with their audience, and then in that way they're building that community and they're serving really top-notch content for them once in a while throughout the newsletters. And again, that creates that bond and people start recommending you, and you have that amazing place where you see your followers, you see your subscribers grow every single week. One more way how you can build a community is, of course, creating audio events on LinkedIn. I think most of the times people say to me that they have not tried them out, they have not even participated in one as a listener. So again, if you have not tried this out, audio events is like a great way to do that. You can easily set it up. You don't have to have specific camera equipment. You don't have to have lighting equipment. None of that is needed. You can just be sitting on your couch, recording an episode and talking with some really interesting people. So in this way, running virtual audio events once a month, twice a month, or whatever the schedule you want to choose, can definitely allow you to build an active audience, because during these audio events or live streams on LinkedIn, people can really comment, ask a question, engage with you. And this is what people value, especially when you're building a community. People really value your time and the ability to ask you a question or a few. Without the two ways that I've already mentioned, so it's like newsletters, showcasing different things, LinkedIn audio events, doing interviews, having conversations, celebrating something. There's also a way to build a community through LinkedIn groups. LinkedIn groups are not the most active place on LinkedIn where people are talking, but there are some LinkedIn groups that are being more active. So it all comes down to a person. You have to choose a specific niche and theme that people would really love to engage within. And the most important thing with groups, and why a lot of groups are actually dead, or so to say, not active, is because people won't start creating content themselves. When it comes to the active groups, what I notice is that people are not afraid to post in those groups. So as an example of a good and active group I saw recently is, for example, a group where people can invite each other for business lunch. So it's a LinkedIn group which is connecting all kinds of professionals. There's no specific industry, and people just post about hey, I will be in this city and I would love to have a productive business lunch with somebody who is interested in this, and then people meet, right? So it's really encouraging and accepting, and anybody can post. So this is something you should think about if you're deciding to build a community and use LinkedIn groups for that.